Gỏi cuốn Vietnamese fresh spring roll.
Ingredients: 10 dried rice paper wrappers, 1 cup dried rice or bean vermicelli, cooked according to package and cooled to room temperature, 10 medium cooked shrimp, peeled and halved, 2 medium carrots, peeled and cut into short thin strips/sticks, 1 English cucumber, cut into short thin strips/sticks, 2 mangoes, peeled, pitted and cut into short thin strips/sticks, 20 fresh mint leaves or sweet Thai basil leaves, rinsed, 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves, rinsed and roughly chopped. Directions: to soften rice paper wrapper, soak in lukewarm water until soft. Lift out and place on a work surface. Place 2 basil/mint leaves and 2 shrimp halves in the center of the wrapper. Place a small handful of the vermicelli noodles on top of the shrimp. Add a few strips of carrot, cucumber, and mango with a little bit of fresh cilantro. Press the filling down to flatten it a little and then roll up the spring roll. Lay seam side down on a serving plate and sprinkle with a little water. Serve with peanut sauce or Thai sweet chili sauce.